Hello everyone. Hope everyone is fine. My name is Suresh Babu Gummadi, having 12 years of experience in enterprise workflow architecture with a strong focus on AI powered process optimization and robotic automation. Currently, I serve as architect where I design, develop, and support the intelligent workforce systems that seamlessly integrate real time decision making, artificial intelligence, and end to end automation. My work is centered around solving the complex business problems and enhancing the operational efficiency. Throughout my career, I had the privilege of collaborating with several pioneering organizations across the telecom, finance, and insurance sectors, driving innovation and digital transformation at scale. So today I am going to present how multimodal AI is transforming a patient-centered healthcare. Our multimodal AI framework is redefining the landscape of modern healthcare by intelligently orchestrating and integrating with a wide spectrum of patient data sources, including healthcare records, wearable devices, genomic data, and patient reported outcomes. By synthesizing this adverse impact in real time, we empowering with deep actionable insight that support precise, timely, and personalized care decisions. At the same time, our system elevates administrative and cognitive burdens on healthcare providers by automating routine analysis and surfacing the most relevant clinical information, ultimately enhancing the outcomes while optimizing the operational efficiency. Multimodal approach. So, electronic healthcare records. Robust electric, electronic health records serve as the backbone of modern healthcare analytics. By consolidating the comprehensive medical histories, clinical notes, and diagnostic information, electronic healthcare records provides the essential foundation for advanced AI-driven interpretation and clinical decision support systems. And the second one is patient-reported outcomes. Direct structured input from patient-captured subjective experiences such as pain levels, fatigue, or emotional well-being data that traditional clinical metrics often overlook. These insights empower clinicians to design truly personalized care pathways based on what matters most to the patients. And the third one, as part of the multimodal approach, is genomic profiles. So, detailed genetic profiling enables the application of precision medicine by identifying individual genetic variations and biomarkers so clinicals can select highly targeted therapies, improve treatment efficiency, and reduce adverse reactions, transform the standard of care for complex diseases. And the fourth one, as part of the multimodal approach, is wearable sensor data. So, real time data from wearable devices allows for continuous psychological monitoring, including heart rate, sleep patterns, physical activity, and more. This ongoing stream of data fills the gaps between the clinical visits, offering a dynamic view of health trends and supporting early intervention strategies. Reduced clinical burden. So it reduces the 42% of the documentation time. So this will reduce the administrative documentation workload. And it saved like 3.5 hours. Whatever these hours saved, these additional hours the clinicians can spend with patients weekly. The third one is 89% of the provider satisfaction, where clinicians reporting improved work-life balance. So enhance your patient engagement. So there are four things we will cover as part of the enhanced patient engagement. The first one is increased participation. An impressive 87% of the patients are now actively involved in their own healthcare, engaging more deeply in treatment planning, following daily health routines, and using digital tools to track the wellness. This behavioral shift is fostering better health outcomes and stronger adherence to the care plans. Higher satisfaction. So, patient experience scores have surged by 42%, a clear indicator demographics, including age gaps, socioeconomic levels, and clinical conditions, confirming the universal effectiveness of personalized AI supported interventions. And the third one is better communication. So, healthcare professionals are now dedicating 68% more time to the tailored care conversations, moving beyond the generic advice to meaningful and patient specific discussions. These enables more informed decisions and stronger provider patient alignment. And the fourth one is stronger relationship. 93% of the patients report elevated trust in their healthcare providers when AI driven insights are openly shared and clearly explained. Transparency and personalization are providing essential in building long term trusted partnerships between the patients and the care teams. As part of our AI framework, there are uncovering hidden correlations. First one is genomical analysis. AI examines genetic variants across patient populations. And the second one is the pattern detection. So system identifies visible to traditional analysis method. And the third one is treatment optimization. Medications match to the generic profiles for maximum eff- efficiency. And the fourth one is outcome improvement, reduced adverse events, and enhanced treatment responses. This is the early prediction of the patient deterioration. So, how our AI framework is predicting the patient's deterioration? Our advanced AI prediction system identifies critical determination signals up to 48 hours before the conventional monitoring detects issues, providing a crucial time advantage for the clinical intervention. By analyzing subtle psychological pattern changes across multiple parameters simultaneously, the system achieves detection rates of 65 to 96% compared to the traditional monitoring 10 to 65%, dramatically improving patient outcomes in time sensitive scenarios. Optimized oncology care. So it improves the quality of life. Our advanced data driven approach leads to the significant enhancements in patient well being by delivering precisely calibrated treatments that align with each clinical history, genetic makeup, lifestyle, and ongoing health data. By minimizing adverse effects and maximizing therapeutic efficiency, patients experience better day to day functionality, reduced symptom burden, and a greater sense of control over their health journey. Reduced hospitalizations. By predictive analytics, continuous monitoring, and timely clinical interventions, our AI driven care modeling significantly lowers the risk of emergency admissions, By identifying the early warning signs and addressing the health issues before they escalate, we enable proactive care management that minimizes the complications, reduces the unnecessary hospital visits, and enhances the overall healthcare efficiency, ultimately improving the both patient outcomes and the cost effectiveness. And the third one is optimized treatment pathway. So, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, our system generated tailored treatment protocols that are dynamically aligned with each patient's clinical profile, genetic makers, lifestyle factors, and real time health data. This precision driven approach ensures that care plans are evidence based, adaptive, and highly individualized, leading to the faster recovery, fewer side effects, and improved treatment adherence. In the communication, so how our AI framework is bridging the communication gaps between the specialist, primary care, and the patients. In terms of the specialist, access to the consistent, comprehensive patient data across all touch points, and the primary care, enhanced visibility into the specialist recommendations and treatment rationales. AI system that translates complex medical data into clear, actionable recommendations. And the fourth one is the patient's better understanding of the complex medical decisions and treatment from reactive to proactive care. So, how our AI framework is using a reactive to proactive care. The shift from reactive to proactive care in healthcare is being accelerated by artificial intelligence and how these diseases are detected, prevented, and how and managed. So, predictive analytics and early risk identification. AI excels at analyzing vast amount of patient data, including healthcare records, imaging, genetics, and real-time biometric inputs. For example, AI can detect subtle changes in the vital signs or behavior, such as small but consistent changes in respiration or sleep quality that may indicate the nearly onset of conditions like sepsis or hypertension. The personalized risk profiles and targeted interventions. AI enables the creation of personalized risk profiles by integrating data from various sources, including genetics, lifestyle, and environmental factors, and proactive care management and improved outcomes. So, studies have shown that the proactive care management targeting AI identified at risk patients can lead to the significant reductions in preventable hospital admissions. For instance, one intervention at Ookla Health resulted in 27% drop in potentially preventable hospital admissions among high risk patients identified by AI. And real time monitoring and dynamic care plans. Wearable and remote monitoring devices feed continuous data into the AI systems, enabling real time assessment of the patient health. AI can trigger alerts, adjust care plans, or prompt outreach when it detects deviation from expected patterns, such as missing, missing medications or reduced physical activity, ensuring timely support and intervention. The last one is operational efficiency and provider cost. It also automates the risk screening, triage, and documentation, freeing up clinicals to focus on high value tasks. And the real world impact and measurable results. Our comprehensive 5-year study ac- across 27 healthcare systems reveals transformative improvements. 34% increase in clinical efficiency, 41% reduction in adverse events, and 23% enhancement in patient reported satisfaction scores across diverse populations. The future of the patient centered care. So, personalized medicine means treatment tailored to individual generic profile, preferences, and circumstances. The second one is continuous adoption. AI systems that learn and evolve with each patient's health journey. Em- Third one is empower participation. So, patients as active partners in healthcare decisions through AI enhanced information. And the fourth one is healthcare transformation, a new paradigm optimizing both clinical outcomes and human experience. Thank you.